Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video on authentication and authorization. In fact, this question was asked in my first cloud interview question. Authentication is a process that an authority confirms that only right people having right permission to access that particular authority's resources, and authorization is a process by which you are giving a permission to an authentic person to perform some action on those resources. Let's take a simple example of authentication and authorization. So let's say you are having a room and that room is locked with a lock and key, and you are having that key, means you are a authentic person to enter to this room using your key. So that is called authentication. And after entering into that room, you cannot access and desktop or laptop which is present inside the room, because the laptop or desktop is having password. So you don't have authorization to use that laptop or desktop. Okay, so until and unless you are having authorization, you cannot access any resources, although you are an authentic person. So that is the difference between authentication and authorization. Okay, let's take another example. Let's say our government transport website. In that website there are many type of user. So when you are applying for a driving license, you are putting into your details and you are uploading your documents to get approved from the RTO side, so that you can get a driving license, right? So you are also a user of that transport website, and the person who is approving your request, the person who is seeing your documents from the back end and checking, verifying, and after that he is approving your request for driving license. So he is also a user of that transport website. So you are an authentic person, but you are not authorized to approve the driving license, but the person, the super admin or the admin from the RTO side, they are authorized person to approve a particular license or reject a particular license. So they are the authorized person. But both the cases, both of you are a authentic person to use that website, right? That's a good example. Let's take another example. You have a username and password to log in with an Azure account. Okay, so if you are having username and password to log into Azure cloud, you are an authentic person to log into Azure cloud, but you are not authorized to create any resources in Azure, since you don't have any authorization. So when your global administrator is providing you authorization to create a virtual machine, to create any other resources like web app, okay, and virtual network, NSG, when they are providing authorization to you, then only you will be able to create resources in Azure. So that's an example of authorization. So until and unless you are an authentic person, until and unless you are having authentication, you will not be able to use authorization. So I hope you understand what is authentication and what is authorization. Thank you for seeing this video. Hope this finds well, and we will come back with another new video. Thank you.